Hi viewers, today I'll show you how to order something on Jumia this festive season. As you know, prices on Jumia are at a discount. So let's get started. You can either download the Jumia app or you can go to any browser of your choice, for example Chrome. Then you type in Jumia. It's a good idea to type in the name of your country you're in so that it directs you to the Jumia website of your country. Like, let me say I'm in Uganda, so Jumia Uganda. If in Nigeria, you type Jumia Nigeria, depending on your country. Then you tap on the link. Then it will appear like this. Then here you can search for the product you want, or you can select any product by browsing through it. Let me say I want to order for a wireless headphone. I just type wireless headphones. Then it will search. So then I browse through these options and I get the one which is perfect for me and the price point. Let me say I wanted these ones of 28,000. So I select it. Then I'll click add to cart, add to cart. Then product added successfully. So you click this option right above here on your top right corner. Then you click checkout. As you can see, the product is at a 20% discount. So this is just a security process to prove you're really human. Then here you can log in or create an account, but the best is using Google because using Google is faster. Just click login using Google or create an account using Google. Then you choose the account you want to log in with or create an account with, which in this case I'll choose this one. You have to continue, click continue. So you tap checkout. Then it will bring you to this page here. As you can see, the order summary is 28,000, delivery fee is 4,100 shillings, and the total is 32,100 shillings. And here you can change your address if you want, but mine is Lira, so it's accurate. I'll leave it, but you can change it from there if you want. Then here you select your payment method. You can select pay with bank card, pay now with Airtel, pay now with MTN, but me, I prefer pay on delivery. That's why I've selected pay on delivery. So I will pay when the package has been delivered at the pickup station. Then here you can select your pickup station where you want your product to be delivered to. Click select pickup station. Then here you can either choose to use location, like Google location, to select the pickup station near you, or you can just select it manually here. You select your region. Mine is northern region, and the city is Lira. And in Lira we only have one pickup station, so I've selected it. Then I confirm. Then Then here I tap confirm delivery details. Confirmed it. Then again you'll be prompted to select the payment method, which I've selected pay on delivery. Then you can now confirm your order. I've confirmed it. As you can see here, it's saying thank you for placing an order with Jumia Uganda, this is the order number. As you'll be picking up your item, you have to go with this order number to pick up your item, to identify your item. Plus, they only accept payment using MTN and Airtel. They don't accept physical money. So you have to go with money in your phone and then just pay on delivery there. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.